Hello friends, my name is Dr. Prasad Kamath. I am a senior retina surgeon working with Infigo Eye Care Hospitals. Today I will be talking about common symptoms that you get if you have retina problems. So the most common symptom in retina problems is called as floaters. So what are floaters? Floaters are cobweb-like things or black spots moving in front of your eyes. These spots you will see especially in daylight when you look at the sky or white wall. Why floaters occur? It is because of there is a jelly inside our eye which is called as vitreous, and as the person ages, that jelly liquefies, and because of that, you get floaters. Floaters are very common, but if you have floaters, you should not ignore them, and you should have a retina checkup. Especially floaters of recent onset, sudden onset floaters, you should immediately see a retina surgeon. Second common symptom that we get in retina problems is called as flashes of light. Flashes of light means you get some camera light flashing inside your eyes. This is commonly seen in dark condition when you switch off the lights at night. These flashes are very dangerous. Why flashes occur? Because there is a jelly inside our eye which is attached to the retina, and as the person ages, the jelly separates from the retina and it sometimes causes pull on the retina. And because of this pull on the retina, you do get flashes. And flashes should not be ignored because sometimes you can get retinal tears because of flashes. So if you get flashes, you should have immediate retina evaluation. Third symptom which is common in retina problems is called as central scotoma. So what is central scotoma? You will see some black spot at the center of your vision, and peripheral things you will see clearly. This occurs when there is bleeding in the central part of the retina, which is called as macula. This happens in uncontrolled diabetics or elderly people above 70. Then fourth symptom is sudden onset loss of vision in one of the eyes. This occurs because of some optic nerve issues or because of occlusion of some retinal vein or artery, or it can occur because of retina detachment. So if you get sudden onset loss of vision, then it is an emergency and you should immediately report to a retina surgeon. Fifth common symptom that you get in retina problems is you see some black curtain in the peripheral part of the vision. This is dangerous because this can be early sign of retina detachment, and if you ignore it, then the retina detachment can progress and lead to complete loss of vision. So if you get any black curtain like thing in peripheral part of your vision, then you have to report immediately to a retina surgeon. So these are the symptoms of retina problems that you should not ignore. If you get any of these symptoms, you should immediately have a retina checkup. Thank you for your attention.